If you were to look at this pot in the summer, you'd see a mass of green leaves, some dark green, some variegated green and cream. But it's in autumn that this pot comes into its own with the berries of the two cotoneasters here. You've got Coral Beauty here with its lovely orange-red berries, and Cotoneaster horizontalis over here with its lovely bright red berries, both providing an absolute feast for the birds. And it does keep the bees happier early on in the year as well, with lovely flowers. You've got this one has creamy white flowers, and the horizontalis has beautiful kind of pinky white flowers, and the cornus here has cream flowers as well. But again, it's in the autumn that this cornus alba elegantissima comes into its own with this amazing red shining bark. So a wonderful, really kind of like cheering up kind of collection of colour for the autumn.